Hi everyone. So today I am taking a very important and interesting topic, which is sports analyst as a career. So have you ever thought why the IPL is going on nowadays in India, and it is not just a game but a gold mine for the sport analysts and those who want to pursue their passion as a career, and you want to have your job revolve around the sport that you love. Definitely this video you should watch, because I am going to tell you how you can become a sports analyst, what skills are required, what degree is required, which career, what is the salary, everything we are going to talk about. Please do see this video completely to understand the sport analyst as a career. Now, if we just want to show you the companies, specifically India, if you go and check LinkedIn, you check, Glassdoor, you check other companies, you will going to find so many sports companies are there. But leading companies in India is Sports Kida, which is actually helping in social sports media platform. Apart from that, Dream Sports, which is a parent company of Dream 11, a fantasy sports platform. Pro Spotify is there for sports management and marketing. Opta GSW is specifically into sports analytics services in India. Then Indian Super League clubs are there, football clubs are there, then fantasy clubs are there, My Team 11, MPL, fan fighting. Nowadays the scope is very high. I am going to show you the statistics as well. I have done a lot of research in this area, and that's why I'm saying this is a very good area which is coming up, and analytic is something you should pursue if you are into sports, because domain knowledge is one thing which is very important, and very few people are very good in this. So if you will going to add analytics as well in your career, that will be a huge thing, and the salaries are very good. Go and check Glassdoor, go and check the job profiles every day on LinkedIn. You will going to find a lot of data sports analyst jobs are coming up. So now let me just show you a statistics of the global sports analytics. So what I am showing you, market size of USD, and in India it is definitely growing a lot, and you can see the market is projected to be a worth USD 4.81 billion in 2024, and it will going to reach to 32.31 billion by 2032. So you can see that how it is growing. The market is very huge, forecasting is huge. So if you are passionate about this thing, and you are also willing to change, or you are doing something related to data analyst, or you are into research, or you like doing some kind of calculation, definitely this is one area where you should go and pursue, because this is one domain I think everyone is very much willing, and they are happy to see what is the forecast. Now, what exactly you are going to do over here. Here, you are actually expert. You are crunching numbers. You are just analyzing. You are forecasting. So a lot of, you are doing the same thing in Excel, but that is majorly you are doing for business. So whether you are in marketing or you are in HR, you are doing the same thing, but in a different domain. Sports is one area where you will going to do the same Excel calculations and the numbers, but in your passionate area in the game industry, and there you will going to predict the outcomes. You will going to find out that how these things the all these whether it is related to. I'm going to show you that how they will going to find out. Just stay with me. This is what I am going to talk about: the player strength, team dynamics, fan preferences. So when you are talking about sports analytics, it is not about just whether we will going to win or lose. It is all about understanding which player at what time can be beneficial for a particular team. So you can step into the world of sports analytics, especially nowadays IPL is so much. So that's why I thought of creating such a niche area, because IPL is there, that kind of vibes are there. So if you want to pursue it as a career, so yes, it is a career, it is not just a passion. So if both things will going to combine, it is something you can easily crack. Now, this is a most awaiting slide. I'm sure that you people were willing to know that what skills are required. And one thing I am again re-emphasizing, domain is already with you. You people are expert because you people are watching it day and night, and you know what is the every nitty-gritties of those sports. Now, what exactly you need to add into it. So one is the education and the qualification. So you can see over here what kind of qualifications these companies are looking for. ESPN is very big player in this area who is hiring huge in sports analyst. So what kind of education? So you can see over here at least bachelor degree. So bachelor degree is a requirement, whether it is statistics or you are coming in the data science area, computer science area, mathematics. So or sports analytic in itself is nowadays very common. A particular program which is being run by various universities. You need to find out the which university, and according to your budget you go and just see what kind of specialized programs these universities are running, and based on that you need to have that kind of a degree with you. Second important thing which is very important, as I said, apart from statistical analysis, data mining, data visualization, they want analytical skills. So you need to learn a little bit of programming language. I have already discussed lot many about data analyst programming language, Python or R. It's not that confusing, it is not that difficult for you people. Don't think that if I am not from a mathematical background I cannot go with a Python. You can easily go and you can check it out. You need to do little bit of practice, but this is something which you can easily do. Then familiarize yourself with the data management and database. SQL I have already discussed. You go and see my shorts and the videos. You will going to see I have discussed all these things in my previous shorts as well. So again re-emphasizing that this is not a difficult thing which you cannot do. You definitely can do, right? Then comes the sport knowledge. This is one thing I am very sure you people already have. So domain knowledge is at the most important. Being an analyst, whosoever, whether you are a data analyst, HR analyst, market analyst, domain is very important. If a person is from marketing analytics, that means they are into marketing. They have a very niche of marketing. Those who are into HR, that means they have a niche of HR analytics. Here when you are into sports, so that means you have that sports knowledge with you. So strong understanding of that particular sport, their rules, their how it is being played, all this gameplay nuisances, and apart from that update trends. I am very sure this is one thing everyone is morning they just follow up that what is going on. So current trends and the development that sport industry is must. Practical experience, of course, you need to find out some internships or entry level position with sports team or the organization, or sometimes volunteer jobs is also good. So that will going to give you some kind of an experience in this area, because you are learning, you are playing. So if you are spending your time, why not go and have an internship, a volunteer internship, that is also okay, right? So offer some work, as I said, volunteer work on sports analytic projects for local team to build your portfolio. That is again very good thing to do. You are pursuing your passion, you are already giving you so much of time, why not build something and get some kind of experience in this area. Then comes this specialization in the networking. Of course, LinkedIn is full of this kind of people, as well as you need to identify those groups and the dish from where you can actually get a network. So again, as I said, that you need to have a niche again. So player performance analysis, or if you are into game strategy, you can identify what is your strength, what is your core strength, where your mind is actually performing well. So attend those kind of events also. So if there is an event going on in your area, in your place, then definitely go and connect with those industry professionals who are the sponsors, who are helping, or who are into managing those kind of sports. Then certification, apart from that, if you want to go with the online certification courses, if you're a bachelor's from suppose different domain, then also you want to go into this field, of course you can go and check it out, all these certification and online courses from various platform which is free or nowadays. So pursue a relevant certification in that data science or sports analytic to enhance your profile. And as I said, that for skill development, if you are taking an an online course, it is equally beneficial. So don't think that if I am going to spend a huge amount of money, then only I am valuable. No, it's not like that. Only skill set is required. If you are good in that skill set, if you have taken it from free and you are good in Excel as well, definitely this is an area which you can pursue. Then of course you need to stay inquisitive and proactive. Yes, problem solving mindset and analytical ability. But once you start doing it, it happens that we inculcate such kind of skills. So all these technologies and the methods, as I said, you need to be updated with the trends. Once you start growing into this field, definitely all these things will come along. And at the end, of course, portfolio is important. So all those projects, internships, experiences, previous experiences of your CV, past experiences, because no experience is bad. Let me tell you, no experience is bad. Someone was asking me, ma'am, I am from a different industry and nowadays I want to go into a data analyst field, whether I should go or write it about my previous experience. Definitely you should write, because every experience counts. If you are at least management skills you are gaining from your previous job, so all experiences count. So create that kind of a portfolio and portray this thing to your company. And this is last my slide which I want to show you, that if you are intrigued by blend of cricket and data, or you want to pursue such kind of passion, definitely I am going to come up with lot of different kind of analytics jobs with their salaries, how to pursue that, various career plans, and from where you can go the certification. All these things I am going to cover in my channel. Do like, share and follow my channel for such unique careers. Thank you so much.